Jamaicans were among scores of youth activists who gathered at the United Nations headquarters in New York to address one of the most urgent issues of our time, climate change. Speaking outside the first ever Youth Climate Summit at the United Nations on Saturday, Jamaican activist Christina Monteith says the United Nations should continue to pressure larger countries like the United States and China to do more.
In the United States is one of the major countries that has a stake in this, and they've pulled out of the Paris Agreement, and there's so many things that they've been doing. We talk about China, we talk about India, we talk about all the countries in Europe. There's a lot that needs to be done for the big countries that are contributing to this.
In June, temperatures in Kingston soared to 39.1 degrees Celsius, the highest ever recorded by the Met Service in Jamaica. Farmers have also been suffering due to persistent drought. According to Ms. Monteith, now is the time for Caribbean leaders to act.
We've also been discussing the case of Tuvalu, which is an island in the Pacific that's literally sinking. So, there's a lot that needs to be done, and the response needs to be like dramatic. It can't just be a one-off or stop using plastic utensils. It has to be real and sustained change across industries, across economies. So, yeah, I don't think we're at the level yet where we're actually making tangible change.
Now, on Monday, world leaders will also meet for the Climate Action Summit to present plans on how to tackle climate change in their countries.